Hello friends, welcome to AIMS Today YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about IIT JEE NEET Foundation Chemistry Chemical Bonding chapter. From this, about hydrogen bonding. The idea of hydrogen bond was introduced by Latimer and Rodebush to explain the nature of association in liquid state of substances like water, ammonia, hydrogen fluoride, formic acid, etc. When hydrogen is bonded to highly electronegative atoms such as fluorine or oxygen or nitrogen by a covalent bond, the electron pair is attracted towards these electronegative atoms so that it results in the formation of a strong dipole. When a number of such molecules are brought near to each other, the positive end of one molecule and negative end of another molecule will attract each other and a weak electrostatic force will be developed. Thus, these molecules will associate together to form a cluster of molecules. So, definition: the electrostatic force of attractions between a partially positively charged hydrogen atom of a polar molecule and a highly electronegative atom of the same or a different molecule is known as hydrogen bond. So, here you can see water is a perfect example for the molecules having hydrogen bonding. You can see in the hydrogen molecule, water molecule, oxygen is more electronegative atom and hence the bond between hydrogen and oxygen is polar bond. Slight charges are occurring. So in the same in all the molecules these slight partial charges are occurring. So the positive end of one molecule is attracted by negative end of another molecule. These these two attracted and hence a slight electrostatic force of attraction occurs. That is called here as hydrogen bonding. This is why the boiling point of water is higher than that of ammonia and hydrogen fluoride. This is because of hydrogen bonding. Let us see the conditions for the formation of hydrogen bonding. The atom which is bonded to hydrogen atom must be highly electronegative. So the highly electronegative atoms like fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen can form these hydrogen bondings. The electronegative atom which is bonded to hydrogen must have small size. Then only it will be having high electronegativity and hence can form hydrogen bond. The energy of hydrogen bond ranges between 12 to 60 kilojoules per mole. The energy of hydrogen bond is less than that of a covalent bond. Here you can see bond energies or hydrogen bond energies in different molecules. The bond length of hydrogen bond is larger than that of a covalent bond. The OH covalent bond in water is approximately 1 angstrom, while the hydrogen bond length is 1.76 angstroms in the same molecule. Let us see the types of hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is of two types. One of them is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bond formed between partially positive hydrogen atom of one molecule and electronegative atom of different molecule of the same or different substances is called as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Let us see here some of the examples of the molecules exhibiting this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. One of them is hydrofluoric acid. So here electronegative atom of one molecule is attracted towards electropositive hydrogen atom of another molecule. So in this way intermolecular hydrogen bonding is seen in hydrofluoric acid. Another example, ammonia. As already we have seen, water also exhibiting this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So intermolecular hydrogen bonding increases the boiling point and solubility of compounds in water. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is also responsible for the increase in the viscosity of the liquids. So greater the extent of hydrogen bonding, more is the viscosity. Next, let us say about the second type of hydrogen bonding, that is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The hydrogen bond formed between partially positive hydrogen atom and electronegative atom present in the same molecule of the substance is called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to intramolecular hydrogen bonds, no molecular associations occur because this is happening within the same molecule. Boiling points will be normal and volatility will be high for the substances with intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So these are the examples of molecules exhibiting this intramolecular hydrogen bonding. One of them is salicylate, orthonitrophenol, or the fluorophenol. These are examples. These are containing intramolecular hydrogen bonding as shown here. Let us see the properties which are explained by these hydrogen bonding specially. Molecules with hydrogen bonding possess high boiling point, have high boiling and melting points than the expected. For example, the boiling point and melting points of ammonia, water and hydrogen fluoride are high in comparison to the respective hydrates of the elements in the same present in the same groups like say 5th, 6th and 7th groups. Unique property of water and ice are due to this hydrogen bonding like density of ice is less than that of water and the water contracts when heated in between 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. So these special unique properties of water is because of hydrogen bonding. Next is solubility. A substance is said to be insoluble in water if it does not form hydrogen bonding with water, and those are soluble in which can form hydrogen bonding with water. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.